Hello students, this is Firdaus. As you all know that I am your math teacher. So today I am going to solve exercise 1.2 of class 5 mathematics. In our previous session we have already done their exercise 1.1. Okay. So today I am going to solve exercise 1.2 of class 5 mathematics, this learning math. So without any further ado, let's start our class. So in exercise 1.2, exercise 1.2, first question you have given, that is read the numbers and write the number names. So here you have to deal with a largest number, that is 7, 8 and 9 digit number के साथ आपको डील करना है इस एक्सरसाइज में. And you have to write in this exercise you have to follow the Indian place value system को follow करना है. Here in question number 1 of A you have given 6, 7, 8, 0, 9, 5, 6. That means, see, here the arrangement of comma is given according to Indian place value system. So here it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So here you have to write the number name, okay, in word. That means you have to write the given number in words. Okay, so what is first read from the right side. As you all know that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is, this is your 67 lakhs and 80,000 and 900 956. 956. See, 67 lakh, 80,000 and 956 is your required word, the number in words. So next I am going to solve question number 1 of G. In question number G you have given here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So here you have given here you have to write 33 what? Crore. 33 crore and 45 lakh. 45 lakh, 44,000 and last 200 and 31. Here it is. So this is the required answer that you have to perform in your school notebook. See here you have given exercise in question number 2, write the number for the given number names. आपको यहाँ पे number names दिया हुआ है, आपको क्या लिखना है? आपको number name लिखना है. It is very simple. So I will show you. In question number 2 in question number 2 of I am taking E. 2 of E. In E you have given 12 crore, 56 lakh and 445 445. See here you have to write the numeral of a given words. So first you have to write from the back side. 45, first you have given 45, so write here 45 and see the 100 term is given or not. See, all, yes, here is you have given 400, that means See, ones, tens, hundred, that is 45, and 400 you have. Next you have, is it here the 1000 terms? No, neither you have given the 1000 terms or the 10,000 terms. So here ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 0, 10,000 also 0, and lakh, obviously lakh is given, 15 lakh, sorry 56 lakh, 56 lakh is given, and after that 12 crore, that is 12 crore is your, you have given here. So ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 12 crore, 56 lakh and 445. बैक से अगर लिखोगे आप तो आपको लिए इजीली आप उसको फॉर्म कर पाओगे. सी फर्स्ट यू राइट 45, देन द 100 terms, see ones, tens, 100, and find out the whether he has given or 100 terms, not sorry 1000 terms, no, neither here given 1000 terms nor 10,000 terms. That's why I put here 0 and 0, 1000 also 0 and 10,000 also 0, and here lakh term is given 56 lakh and 12 crore. So this is how you can solve the writer numeral of a given words. Now you have given how many numbers are there in all for the 6 digit and the 8 digit number. So let's do it. In question number 3 you have to find the quantity of number. Number कितना होगा, you have to find the quantity, कितना number होगा किसका, 6 digit का. एक मैं आप लोग को फॉर्मूला दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. 6 digit number फाइंड करना. हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर इन, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर इन ऑल फॉर, यहाँ पे देखो लिखा हुआ है हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर इन ऑल, मतलब 6 digit नंबर कितना टोटल होगा. तो फॉर दिस यू हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला. फर्स्ट राइट greatest 6 digit number, greatest 6 digit number, then subtract it from greatest 5 digit number, greatest 5 digit number. अगर आपके पास 6 गिवन है तो पहले 6 डिजिट, देन 6 के पहले 5 डिजिट्स, और अगर आपके पास 7 होगा तो 7 डिजिट का ग्रेटेस्ट को 6 डिजिट के ग्रेटेस्ट से माइनस करना है. तो 6 डिजिट ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर यू हैव, दैट इज 99999 minus 5 digit greatest number, that 9999. So let's subtract it. 9 out of 9 0, 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 and 9 left alone. So 9 lakh total numbers are there in 6 digit number. That is 6 digit number start from 1000 from here and ends with 999999. So between these 1 lakh to 9,99,000 and 999, how many are numbers in countings are there in all? That means 9 lakh is total number. So now I am going to solve exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3 is totally based on the international place value system. International place value system, as we all discussed in our previous video session. So you all know how to arrange how to put a comma according to international place value system, and how to write a word and how to write a numeral according to Indian place value system, and how to write a place value system. So in this exercise, so exercise 1.3 you have question number 1 A. You have given 3 4 5 5 6 1 3. See here you have given a number according to international place value system. See why, how can you identify the number is given in international or Indian? You have to see the comma. आपको कॉमा देखना है यहाँ पे. 1 2 3 digits before 3 digits and repeated 3 digits. So after 3 digits, whenever you have given a comma after 3 digits between digits, so you have to know that this number is given in a international place value system. So here you have to write the name also according to international place value system. So first count ones, tens, hundred. This is your ones periods, and ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. Ones, tens, and 100,000. So this is your 1000 periods, and this is your million. So here 3 million. 3 million, and here ones, tens, 100, that is 400, 450, 55,000, 55,000 and 613. So this is how you can write a words according to Indian place value system. So this is your ones period, this is your thousand period. So ones, tens, 100, that is 455,000. This is your million. So I am going to solve another question. Question number H. One of H, that is 837, 915 and 818. See, ones period, thousand periods and million periods. So this is your 837 million. This is your 837 million 915,000 and 818. So write 837 million 915,000 818. So see, 837 million 915,000 and 818. So this is your required answer. So in question number 2, you have given in words and you have to write a numeral. Number में लिखना है आपको in question number 2. So again I am taking question number 2 of F. In F you have given 900 million 21,000 721. So here you have given 900 million 900 million 21,000 and 721. So first write it from back side. 21 100 721 is completed. Now see the thousand. What thousand? 21,000. So here 1 and 2, 21,000, and 100,000 is not given, that's why you have to put here 0, and 900 is given, 900 million. See, 900 million 21,000 and 721. So it is very simple. So do it. And in question number 3, you have all given in two forms, in word form and the numeral form. You have to only check there. And in question number 4, write the number according to the both Indian and international system numeration. See, here in question number 4 you have given a few numbers and you have to write according to Indian and international both. So it is very simple, do it your own self. And question number 5, rewrite the following numerals using the commas according to Indian place. So here you have given a number in you have given in question number 5 of A. 5 of A, here you have given 6605 and 445. Here you have given a number in international, because the arrangement of comma is between three digits. So you have to write the number again, write the number, rewrite the number, and put the comma according to Indian place value system. So according to Indian place value system, first you have to put a comma before 3 digit, then repeat it after before 2 digits. So this is how you can solve the question number 5. And in question number 6 you have given a number. In question number 6 you have given a number and comma is arranged according to Indian place value system. Comma यहाँ पे range है according to Indian place value system, and you have to rewrite the same number and put the comma according to international place value system. So as you all know that you have to put comma according to international place value system first before 3 digits, then repeat it before 3 digits. So 3 का ट्रिपलेट बना के आपको comma put करना है. So I think it is very simple. And next in question number 7, make a Indian and international place value chart in your notebook and write these numbers. So you have to make a proper chart according to Indian on international both. See, this is your international chart, millions, thousand and one. This is your international chart, and this is your Indian place value chart. So you have to prepare these charts and put the numbers according to the Indian and international. So you have to make a separate chart. I think this is a very simple. So in question number 8, here you have to fill the blank. 8 वो 7 आप लोग कर लीजिएगा खुद से, ठीक है. 7 बहुत सिंपल है. 7 में आपको बस ओनली क्या करना है, चार्ट प्रिपेयर करना है. चार्ट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको नंबर पुट कर देना है, ठीक है. चार्ट पूरा एक बार ही पुट कर लीजिएगा. बस इस साइड में आपको A B C D, अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम फेस होगा तो आप पूछ सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मैं बता दूंगा आपको, ठीक है. तो पहले चार्ट प्रिपेयर कर लो आप. चार्ट प्रिपेयर करने के बाद सबको A B C D करके नंबर एक नंबर लिख के उसको मेंटेन करना आप. सो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 यू हैव टू फिल द ब्लैंक्स. सो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर A 100,000 यहाँ देखिए 100,000 है, और यहाँ पे क्या है आपको फिल है और लैक लिखा हुआ है. तो 100,000 पहले बनाओ आप. 1s 10s 100, ये वाला 1000. 100,000 बन गया. देखो अब इसको काउंट करो कितना होता है. 1s 10s 100 1000 लैक, 1s 10s 100 1000 10,000 लैक, तो 1 लैक हुआ, ठीक है. तो पहले जो दिया हुआ उसको बना लो. अगेन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर B you have given 1 million. तो फर्स्ट is equal to how many lakh. तो फर्स्ट राइट द मिलियन. 1s 10s 100 1000 10,000 100,000 एंड मिलियन. ये ना होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल. 1s 10s 100 1000 10,000 100,000 एंड 1 million. सो हाउ मेनी लाख ये देयर. 1s 10s 100 1000 10,000 लाख, 10 लाख. कितना होता है, 10 लाख होता है. तो ये बहुत ही सिंपल, जो नंबर बोल रहा है उसको पहले ड्रॉ कर, उसको लिख लो पहले. अब अगेन आपके पास एक और क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर C में क्या दिया हुआ आपको, करोड़ दिया हुआ. आई थिंक 1 करोड़. हाउ मेनी ऑफ मिलियंस मेक अ करोड़, मेक अ 1 करोड़. 1 करोड़ गिवन. ओह हाँ यस 1 करोड़ इज गिवन. तो 1 करोड़ में कितना मिलियन होता है आपको फॉर्म करके बताना है. तो फर्स्ट जो दिया हुआ है, अगेन जो फर्स्ट दिया हुआ है उसको कर लेते हैं. 1 करोड़. 1s 10s 100 1000 10,000 लाख 10 लाख करोड़. 1s 10s 100 1000 10,000 लाख 10 लाख करोड़. अब मिलियन कितना होता है, तो 1s 10s 100,000 10 मिलियन. 10 मिलियन इज इक्वल टू 1 करोड़. Okay, it's very simple. So I think exercise 1.1 and 1.1 1.2 and 1.3, these 3 exercises are we have completed. Now in exercise 1.4 you have to find the place value, and in exercise 1.5 you have to compare. So and 1.6 you have to round off the number. So we will discuss in our next class. Okay then class, thank you.